Hello everyone, this is Komal here once again with all of you with our today's new topic, that is integers. So, what is integers? At the end of this lesson, we will be able to understand, define integers, explain integers on number line, and how can we ordering of integers and addition and subtraction of integers on number line. So, define integers. We all know that there are different forms of number. Some numbers are natural numbers, and the set of the natural number contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite, and some are whole numbers. So the numbers which starts from the 0 are the up to infinity. Starting from the 0 up to the infinity are the sets of whole number. Similarly, we have some negative numbers. So now the question arises, why we need to use the numbers with the negative sign. So whenever we have to measure the temperature, we use the negative number. We all know that the temperature of some places are in negative, like best example is Shimla and Manali. Their temperature are very cold, so it was almost in negative. So whenever we measure the temperature negative, we are called them the negative numbers. Now suppose I have represent natural number with this figure, whole number with this figure, and negative number with this figure. So what is integer? Integer is the sum of all those numbers. That means whenever I contained all types of set of number, it means we are talking about integers. So integers is a whole number anywhere from 0 to positive or negative up to infinity. That is हर तरीके की फॉर्म का जो भी नंबर होता है, whether it is a natural number, positive number, negative number, whole number, all comes under the integers. Now explain integers on number line. How can we explain integers on number line? Suppose we have this number line. Okay, this is a number line where we mark the number at some equal distances, like from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7 and 0 up to -7. All these numbers are marked at equal distances, and there is a point to the right of 0. So the numbers which are from the right of 0 are called the positive integers, and the numbers which are from the left of 0 are the negative integers. Now suppose I have to mark point 2 on a number line. So I have to move 2 points in the right direction from the 0. Okay, in order to mark point 2 on a number line, I have to move 2 points to the right of 0. Similarly, if I have to mark -5 on a number line, I have to move 5 points to the left of 0, that is second, third, fourth and fifth. So from the left, from the 0, I have to go towards the left side to mark the number 5. Similarly, so in this way we can show the numbers on number line. Now how can we ordering of integers? We suppose again we have this number line. We all know that 4 is smaller than 7, or we can say that 7 is greater than 4. And in this number line we will see that 7 is to the right of the 4. 7 is at the right place of the 4, and we know that 3 is greater than 0, and we will see that 3 is also on the right side of the 0. Let's take another example, -5 and 0. Now how we will know that is -5 is greater or 0 is greater? So we know that 0 is on the right side from -5. That is from here up to this. So -5 is smaller than 0, and -7 and -4. So -4 is greater than -7 because it is the right side from the -7. So what we observe that on the number line, whenever we move towards the right side, the numbers are in the bigger, and whenever we move towards the left sides, the numbers are smaller. So we can say that on number line we can say that on the number line the bigger numbers are placed on the right and the smaller numbers are on the left. It means जब भी हम number line पे right side move कर रहे हैं, it means we are going towards the bigger numbers. और अगर हम left side move कर रहे हैं, it means we are going towards the smaller number. Now addition of integers on number line. That means how we can add the integers on number line. Suppose we have to add 3 plus 2. So suppose this is our number line. I will start from 0 and move towards. First we move 3 steps from 0 to from the right of 0 and reaching 3. That means I had started my journey from 0 and reach up to the 3. ठीक है. From now 3, from that 3 I have to go 2 more steps. That is the 2 more steps. I will take 2 more steps and reach to the 5. It means the addition of 3 and 2 will be 5. First of all, start from 0 and reach up to the 3. I will reach at the 3 point, and from this 3 I will again move towards 2 steps and I will reach up to the 5. So when we add 3 plus and 2, I get the answer 5. Now let's take another example. Minus 3 plus minus 2. Now I have to add 2 negative integers because minus 3 is also a negative integer and minus 2 is also a negative integer, and I have to add these 2 integers. So let's see how we will add it. So again we will start from the point 0. We will go up to the minus 3. That is in the left direction. From the 0 we will go in the left direction minus 3, and then we will reach to minus 3, and from this minus 3 point we will take 2 steps in the left direction again. That is minus 5. So if I move towards the left direction up to minus 3 and then again minus 2, that means we have again मुझे left direction में जाना है माइनस 2 के लिए, तो मुझे 2 पॉइंट्स और मूव करना है. 1 पॉइंट ये हो गया माइनस 3 से एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट ये हो गया माइनस 3 से. तो मैं कहाँ पर आ गई? वी विल हैव रीच्ड एट माइनस 5. सो इफ आई ऐड 2 negative integers, that is minus 3 and minus 2, our answer will be minus 5. Now let's take another example. 3 plus minus 5. That means in this we have one positive integer and one negative integer, and we have to add them. So first of all, in this case, where will we go? We will start from again 0. We move 3 points to the right direction. Okay, as 3 plus minus 5. Okay, we will move 3 points in the right direction and we will reach at point 3 or the number 3. From that number 3, now I have to move 5 steps in the left direction because this is a minus number, negative integer. So from this 3 point we have to move 5 points in the left direction. So this is first step, second step, third step, fourth step and fifth step. Okay, if I take 5 steps in the left direction from the point 3, I had reached up to the point minus 2. So what we observe that? We observe that our answer comes minus 2. Okay, so if we add 3 and plus minus 5 on a number line, we have get our answer minus 2 on number line. Okay, we got it. So what we conclude from that? We conclude that when we add 2 positive integers, result will be positive. Like in our first example, we have positive 3 and positive 2. Both are the positive integers and we have to add them. So we are जो हमारा result आया था, the result is also a positive integer. Second, when 2 negative integers were added, result will be negative integer. Like we have 2 number minus 3 and minus 2. Both are the negative integers and their sum is also a negative integer. That means we have add the numbers, but the result will become the negative integer. And in a third example, we will see that when one positive, that is 3, and one negative, that is -5, added, we subtract them and put the sign of bigger integer. So like 3 plus -5, this is our positive integer, this is our negative integer. We subtract them. If there is one positive and one negative integer, we subtract them, but the sign will come of the bigger integer. यहाँ पे biggest number जो था वो 5 था, and उसके आगे जो sign है वो minus का है. So answer is also in negative integers. So we can say that plus plus plus, that means जब हम दो positive integers ले रहे हैं तो हमारा आंसर प्लस में आएगा. And when we add two negative integers, that is minus minus plus, माइनस के दोनों इंटीजर्स थे, उनका सम तो प्लस करके 5 आया, बट साइन जो आएगा उनके आगे वो हमेशा माइनस का आएगा. एंड इन द थर्ड केस वेयर वन इंटीजर इज ऑफ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर एंड वन इंटीजर इज नेगेटिव इंटीजर, वी सब्सट्रैक्ट देम, दैट इज 5 - 3 2, और जो साइन होगा वो बड़े वाले इंटीजर का आएगा. दैट इज 5 के आगे माइनस का साइन था एंड 5 इज द बिगेस्ट इंटीजर, सो 2 विल ऑल्सो हैव अ माइनस साइन. Now let's take an example. An ant is moving on a number line. Suppose we have this number line, okay? It moves 6 point right from 0 and then comes 2 point back. So हमें बताना है कि वो 6 points जो है वो right जा रही है 0 से. That is from this 0, it moves 6 points towards the right direction and then 2 points back. और उसके बाद 6 आने के बाद 2 points वो back आ रही है. तो present में कहाँ पर है? So we will see that first of all we start from 0, as we all know that हम 0 से start करते हैं. We will start from 0 and reached up to the point 6. Okay, that is 6 steps from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And from this point the ant take 2 points back. 2 points back ले रही है, यानी कि 6 से 5 की तरफ 1 point back हुआ and 4 की तरफ 2 points back हुआ. Okay, so तो वो कहाँ पर आ पहुंची? It means वो -4 पर आकर वो stop हो गई. So our answer will be 4. That is from 0 up to 6 and then 2 points back. So it comes at the 4th place. ठीक है, from the right of 0. Now let's take another example. If the same ant moves 5 point left and then 2 points to the right, then where it will be? So first of all we will move 5 points left. So 0 से left की तरफ 5 points, यानी कि we have to go in the negative direction. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we reach to the point -5. Okay, now and then 2 points to the right. Here the question says then 2 points to the right. It means from -5 the ant moves 2 points in the right direction, that is in the 0 side direction. So -5 from -4 1 point and from -4 to -3 second point. Okay, so where the ant will be reached at -3, because it starts his journey from 0 to -5 and from -5 to 2 points in the right direction. Ant will come at -3. So its present place is -3. Okay, got it? Now what is additive inverse? Suppose we have this number line again. Let's take another example. Suppose the ant walks 3 points towards the right side of 0. That means from the 0 ant moves towards the right side, that means in positive direction. And next the question says and walks back 3 points towards the 0. First the ant moves towards the right direction 3 points, that is start वो अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करेगी 0 से 1, 1 से 2 and then 2 से 3. Okay, so she will be reached at point 3. Okay, and now the question says and walks back 3 points towards the 0. That means वो दोबारा 3 पॉइंट बैक आ रही है 0 की तरफ. इसका मतलब 3 से फिर वो दोबारा 3 पॉइंट्स बैक आ रही है. तो देखते हैं हम कहाँ पर आते हैं. 3 से 2 1 पॉइंट, 2 से 1 सेकेंड पॉइंट एंड 1 से 0 3 पॉइंट. ओके, सो +3 एंड -3 वो 0 से पहले पॉजिटिव की तरफ 3 बार चली, 3 पॉइंट्स तक चली एंड देन 3 पॉइंट्स इट शी गोज इन नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन. So what's the answer will be? Answer will be 0 because she starts its journey from 0 to 3 and then it walks back 3 points towards the 0. So at the end where he reached? She reached at point 0. Okay, so 3 plus -3 is the additive inverse. Is answer come 0. So we can say that -3 is the additive inverse of 3. Whenever we move in a plus direction, whenever we move 3 points in positive direction and then 3 points in negative direction, we got the answer 0. So we can say that -3 is the additive inverse of 3. Similarly, let's take another example. 2 plus -2. Now suppose aunt moved 2 points in the right direction and walks back 2 points towards the 0. So answer will be 0, 2 positive points and 2 negative points. So answer 0. So we can say that -2 is the additive inverse of 2. Or we can say that any number additive inverse of -7 will be additive inverse of -7 will be 7. Additive inverse of -4 will be 4. In this way we can say that the additive inverse of -3 or -2 will be 3 and 2. That is the positive 3 and the positive 2. Okay. Now subtraction of integers on number line. How we can subtract integers on number line? Again we have this number line and now we have to subtract -2 from -6. So as in my last slide I told you about additive inverse. So this is similar to -6 minus -2. That means we have to subtract -6 from -2 and we know that the additive inverse of -2 will be +2 because the additive inverse of negative numbers will be the positive number. As I told in additive inverse, so -2 का additive inverse क्या हो जाएगा? +2 हो जाएगा. So now we can add my number. -6 plus 2 is equals to -4. That is, I have go towards the left direction up to the point -6. That is from 0 to 6. -1, -2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, that is in the left direction from 0. That is -6. And then 2 points in the positive direction. Here 2 points in the form in the 0 up to the 0. That is -6, -5 and -4. So where I will reach? I will reach at -4. So first of all, if we have to subtract the integers, so first of all we will convert it the additive inverse in the form of additive inverse, so that we can easily calculate the subtract of integers. Like we can conclude that hence to subtract an integer from another integer, that means we have to subtract -6 from -2. It is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted. So हम जिस number को subtract कर रहे हैं उसे हम additive inverse की form में convert कर लेंगे to the other integer, so that we can find our answer. Hope you will like my video and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned to my channel for more updated videos. Thank you.